Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to actually spot reversals before they happen. Also, it's a little bit like a trade recap that I took today. The trade was on paper trade. I did not take this with using live money. So, just a little disclaimer: I did not use my live money. Um, but yeah, so jumping right into it. A lot of people thought that today was going to be a bearish day, and I could understand why. I could see why, but really, this just comes down to knowing the markets and knowing when a reversal is going to happen, right? So if we look here on the higher time frame, the 4 hour chart, we see that we've been having this bearish movement, right? We've been having this bearish movement up until today. Okay, so I'm gonna just mark this out real quick. This is today's movement, so we don't get confused, right? But yeah, we've been going, you know, bearish. We've been looking real bearish, making lower lows each time, right? I'm sorry, I messed up right there. Yeah, we just been making these lower lows each time, right? We have not been taking out these highs, right? So obviously, yes, it does look like we're bearish, but that is just the part of the market maker buy model that we're in. It's the 4 hour market maker buy model. As you can see, original consolidation, we have our sell, and now we're trending back up. So we're gonna make this and we're gonna go up, right? Yeah, so we need to keep in mind that the higher time frame is pointing to bullish, even though yes, we had this nice little sell off for like the whole week. We've been having this nice little sell off since the beginning of the week. We still need to keep in mind that the higher time frame is bullish. You see, we're near all-time highs, so we can expect price to keep on wanting to take out these highs, right? Until proven otherwise. But yeah, so let me hop into the part of how to actually spot the reversals before they happen. So back as I was saying earlier, a lot of people thought we're just gonna continue this bearish movement, right? Especially right here. Let me break down what happens right here, right? So we have a look that we're starting to displace down, right? So a lot of people are anticipating shorts at this moment. We hop to the 15-minute time frame. A lot of people are anticipating shorts right now because it looks like the market's about to go down, right? We're right here at this point. But we have no market structure shift to the downside. And right here, this is our final little manipulation move before market open, right? Right. In the market open, you can see we go off, but yeah. But look, I'm gonna show y'all something right here on the 4 hour. What do we have right here? We have an SMT, right? Actually, do we have SMT? We do not have SMT, but we do have what is called a hidden SMT, right? Hidden SMT is basically this low right here closes below this candle low, right? That's a hidden SMT. On ES, we do not do that, right? You see, this candle's low doesn't close below this low right here. So that's what we call a hidden SMT. Um, Y'all join my Discord and I can teach you more about that and all that type of stuff. But yeah, we have a hidden SMT right here. On top of that, what do we also have right here? We have this little bullish fair value gap, right? We have two bullish fair value gaps. I'm gonna mark out this one just because price tapped into both of them. So we have this bullish fair value gap that was previously respected. You see, previously respected fair value. I'm sorry, previously respected fair value gaps are something y'all should take note of because if they were respected once, that shows the strength in it. So that also might be a little indicator or a little price reference that price might want to come back to. And yeah, so basically That's exactly what we had here. Price came back down to this previously tapped in fair value gap and started to make an uprise from that, right? Okay, cool. Let me show y'all the trade I took now. I'm gonna turn on my execution marks. Okay, so right here, I'm going 15 minute. Oh my god, I don't know what I did. Okay. So now I'm applying my 12 a.m. opening price logic, right? We need to find our 12 a.m. opening price, right, which is right over here. Price opens right over here. Our 12 o'clock EST, right? See, we trade up, we trade down, we barely stay down. Something when you, anytime you see stuff like this where we come up and then we barely trade down, you see, we barely trade down, we immediately come back up, barely trade down, we immediately come back up. That's a strong indication, not all the time, but it's a strong indication that price is respecting this level underneath this level and is trying to come back up. And using power of three, because I also use power of three, that's to me buying below this, buying underneath a 12 a.m. open is the best time to do it. And I'm not saying you're always going to have the opportunity to do so. I didn't do so today, but that would be the best opportunity you have to catch the whole daily range. Okay, going on. So this is my trade I took, right? Okay, what do we have right here? So I knew that price was going to run immediately after market open. Why? Because there was no PD array. There's no PD array on the lows that we could tap into, right? So I said, okay, yeah, price is probably just going to run away. Okay, cool. So what do I see right here? Right here, I entered my trade right over here. So I entered off this right here. I seen this fair value gap, right? This bearish fair value gap. I wanted to see an inverse, right? So we inverse the fair value gap. Boom. Right? Candle closure. Enter right there. See, I entered right there exactly. It's because of fill. I guess I had spread on it, but still enter right over here. I put my stop loss. Where did I put my stop loss? I can't exactly remember, but a logical place to put your stop loss in this type of thing, either below this low right here for safe, for if you want safety, or right below this low. It really doesn't matter. Put my take profit right at previous highs, which is right over here. It was right up here, yeah, something like that. Something like that. I don't know. Yeah, right over here. Okay. Okay, I'm tripping. I did not go that high. Okay. I'll put my take profit right over here at these highs. Actually, no, I didn't. I can't remember. I thought it was these highs. It was these highs, actually. This is my, okay, yeah, I'm sorry, y'all. I put my take profit right over here at these highs. This is my first draw on liquidity, what I wanted to see reach to confirm that I was in the right trade. Okay, so I took one contract off. I had two contracts. I took one off because just for surety. I mean, I seen this little move downward and I thought that, okay, maybe price just wanted this. So I just took a contract off. I still held on to another one and I went break even right there at this point. And then I seen price still going back up and I said, okay, yeah. Just to show y'all, this is the trade I took, 2000. This is the first one I took off and then the other one. But yeah, that's pretty much it though. Also, I forgot to mention this one. When you're trying to spot the reversals, right? You always want to make sure you use your range. You need to remember that the price only moves for like what, 4 reasons. One, to create inefficiencies. Number 2, to fill imbalance. Number 3, hunt liquidity. Never mind, just 3 reasons. I'm sorry, y'all. But basically, what price did overnight with this overnight move was that, with this move yesterday actually, was that it rebalanced the equilibrium. We see we rebalance this range, right? This is 50% of this range. So whenever you're trying to spot reversals, you want to make sure that we're balanced. You want to make sure that price has reached equilibrium, right? And that's exactly what price is doing. That's exactly why price is going down. It was just to rebalance this range over here. So now we can really expect price to keep on going up. So next week I expect price to keep on going up, and going into New Year's I expect price to keep on going up. And yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it though. Appreciate y'all for watching. If you have any questions, please just join my Discord. I'm gonna put the link in the description. This is my Twitter. Y'all can follow my Twitter and everything. Appreciate y'all. Stay blessed. God bless.